and today we're going to be putting together the HyperTuff HyperStack modular tool storage system heavy duty miter saw stand. First step, get it out of the box. So, yeah. Alright, first step, grab your stand, right? And you're going to hit this button here. That'll unlock the leg. And then you just slide it out. Cool. Same thing over here. Oops, wrong. And then the same thing with the other two legs. That's step one done. Now you need to get, oh, then slide right off. Okay, cool. And that one won't slide right off. And that one won't slide right off. So get these off. Easy. Step two. Sounds easy. You're going to take your V knobs, your knobs that they're calling B. And right here, you got one on each side. Well, screw them in there. You got one here, and then you got one on the opposite opposing side. Screw those in. I'm going to say probably not tight because I never put things tight until I'm ready. Okay, so you're going to take your couple more of your B's here. Oopsie. You're going to find your arms. Okay, you're going to grab these two guys here. You're going to slide right onto the side here. This empty one goes off to the side, and gonna do the same with the other side. Empty one goes off to the side again. And I think you want your where your screw goes to be on the bottom, so it goes right into that little hole there, or that little goes right into this little thing right there. And then it gets tightened down onto it. Oops, see I had it tightened. Nope, I didn't have it. Just didn't have it straight. So you just tighten that down where you think you're going to need it or want it. You can adjust these later. I'm just going to go ahead and make these a little tight right now. There we go. All right, gonna grab two more of those V knobs. And you're gonna slide these right in there. You can adjust these later to where you're going to need them, but for now, we're just gonna breeze them up just a little bit. We're going to put our knob in there. About to wait till we get our miter saw to worry too much about that. Anyway, so we're just trying to hold these in place for now. We can adjust it later, okay? Once you get everything set. Once you get everything set up, get your miter on here and everything else. Okay, cool. Awesome. All right, then you're gonna take these little guys here. I already put one on. Just gonna set it, well, you're gonna put it on this side here, the hot side with the handle. Pull the handle up. Push that down. And then push the handle down. That clamps in. Now you're ready for your miter saw, which I'm going to say is what these are for. There's four of them there to clamp your miter saw right to this guy. So you take these off, put them on your miter saw, and then flip it back over, put it back on, tighten those down. But we're putting this together. We're not putting the miter saw on it yet, so that's what that is. So anyway, if you need to move this up and down, you loosen this bad boy up. There you go. You can raise that up a little bit. This comes out quite a bit, comes in quite a bit. If you need to move it, you just loosen that knob up, pull that out to where you need it, tighten that back down. If you need to stop it from moving in and out, that's what your other thumb screw is for. Just put that right there, get that tight, and that'll prevent it from coming out. So nice and easy setup. Looks pretty good. Looks really good. Anyway, hope that helps somebody out. Bye.